Items needed: Dollarama Tool Box, spray paints, and Cricut tools. Begin by removing the label. If you plan on having an accent color, remove the handles and the front tab. Put aside to spray with your accent color. I kept the top tab clear. Then, spray paint the entire box lightly. Next, spray your accent pieces in your chosen color. Re-add the accent pieces, the handles and the tab. This includes the top clear piece. Now, it's time to add your Cricut tools. A lot of my tools are for the Cricut Maker. Some are compatible with both machines. I'm displaying a lot of housings and blades for the Maker. My scraper tool, picks, true control knife. That's a Cricut tool set. And that's a nail polish holder that I use to keep scraps of vinyl as I work. And this is the box with the tools added. Isn't she a beauty? I hope you enjoyed this quick DIY makeover, a great way to store your Cricut tools. Thanks for watching. Walk good.